If you're a man, then you definitely need to make this. And ladies, if you're watching, then this smoothie has plenty of benefits for you too. Now fellas, let's face it, testosterone is something that you most likely desire more of. Not only does it improve your muscle mass, thickens your beard, and deepens your voice, but testosterone will also contribute to your sense of well-being, cognition, and last but not least, your sex drive. So today I'm gonna show you a smoothie which I make every single morning, which is not only super delicious, but its secret ingredient is shown in one study to increase testosterone by up to 46% in a whopping 90% of participants. Now, if that's not impressive, then I don't know what is, but without further ado, let's get into the kitchen and let's get right into it. Now what we have here is the secret ingredient, which are fenugreek seeds. These little guys are rock hard and can't be blended as is, but I'm going to show you a trick so that they can be broken down within our smoothie. What you want to do is add these to a bowl and cover with warm water to soak for a minimum of 4 hours, but preferably overnight. And after soaking, as you can see, they've doubled in size and have absorbed some of that water. We'll drain, and now we can store these in an airtight container to use every time we make this smoothie. Now let's begin with our smoothie. In a blender, add 6 pitted dates, half a cup of almond milk, half a cup of cold water, 1 teaspoon of our hydrated fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of nut butter or almond butter, 1 whole banana, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Give this a whirl until velvety smooth. And voila, add this to your favorite sipping glass. And if you have a straw, then this would be the perfect time to use it. So I really hope you enjoyed this, and as always, thanks for watching.